Hello everybody, my name is Mark. Welcome to another video. In this video, I am going to talk about which is better to sell a covered call or a cash secure put. I'm going to use Tesla once again as my stock of choice because it's such a popular stock requested by people. They want to see how to trade options on Tesla. So kill two birds with one stone. We'll talk about Tesla and we'll talk about cover calls and we will compare it to cash secure puts. So my position has not changed. I am a conservative guy. Tesla is a volatile stock. And this is a chart on Tesla. And this would have been back at the end of August or September. And then since then, you probably noticed a little triangle that's forming. And actually, the triangle would have gone like this, and then there was like a little breakout. So as a conservative guy, I would want to be selling my calls or my puts down here. So let's go to the option chain and let's take a look at the options. And I went out 31 days and this is what I found. So first, let's go over the covered call. And so I'm going to go to in the money. And I'm going to look for options with very high open interest and they're liquid right about that level. And so that would be this one here, the 320. The bid is 105.70. The ask is 107.35. So let's say the order gets filled at 106. So 320 plus 106 is 426. Let's compare that to our stock price. The last was 421.94. So that's about $400 in time decay, the time value of the option. Now let's go to the same strike price of the put. So remember that number, $400. Now let's view the option chain and let's take a look at the put. Again, this is for November, 31 days from now, and the strike price will be 320. And here it is right here. The bid is 425. The ask is 455, so 430. So in this situation, it is better to sell the out of the money put instead of the in the money covered call. Reason being is because you saw that you got $400 roughly for the time value of the covered call, but this is paying $430. Now, imagine if the stock imagine if the options were going to expire today. How much money would you make? Okay, well, if the options were going to expire today, this 320 put would be worth zero, right? So you would have sold, let's say the order gets filled at 430, you would make $430. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward, cut and dry. Now, how much money would you have made on the in the money covered call? Let's go back to in the money, view the chain, and we'll go to the $320 strike price. And so again, here it is right here. Bid 105.70, ask 170.35, so 106. Now, how much would this call be worth if the options were to expire today? It doesn't expire for 31 days, but what if it expires today? How much would it be worth? Well, we go up here and we see that the price is $421.94. So let's round it up to $422. So Tesla is at $422 a share. How much would a $320 call be worth if the option were to expire today? So what we do is we take that 422 and we subtract 320 from it and we get 102. Now we got 106, right? The order got filled for 106. So even though we lose money in the intrinsic value, we make more money than what we lose in the premium of the covered call received when we sell the call. So we're going to, we buy the shares, right, at 422, rounding up, and then we sell the 320 call and we get money for that. And we said that the order gets filled at 106. So that's $10,600. So we do lose that little bit of money, but we make it up in the premium. So we make a net profit of $400. So once again, in this situation, the point is proven that it is better to sell the out of the money put rather than the in the money covered call. So when you are thinking about selling covered calls or selling cash secure puts, you want to compare those two values, and whichever one gives you the more value, that is what is going to make your decision whether it's better to buy the shares and sell the call or don't buy the shares and sell the put. The risk reward ratio, the setup is exactly the same. It's identical. But the difference is the time value. Do you get more time value for this put, or do you get more time value for that covered call? And in this case, you saw the numbers. It is better to sell the out of the money put, and that's what I would do. And you would, of course, have to have the cash in case the stock falls below 320, and then you would be obligated to buy 100 shares of Tesla at $320 a share. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions at all, how any of this stuff works, feel free to ask. Leave a comment in the comment sections, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good day.